That world is within reach with Real Geeks CRM, the powerful platform designed to supercharge your real estate business. Let's dive into how you can leverage its essential functions to close more deals. First up, mastering lead management. Upon logging in, you'll find your leads neatly organized. Each lead card provides a snapshot of their activity, including recent property views and saved searches. To delve deeper, click into a lead's profile here. You'll see their contact information, communication history, and any notes you've added. This is your central hub for understanding each prospect. Crucially, always log your interactions, whether it's a phone call, an email, or a showing. Documenting every touchpoint ensures you never miss a beat and can tailor your approach effectively. Organize your contacts with tags and segments. Group leads by their buyer or seller status, or by specific neighborhoods they're interested in, making targeted communication a breeze. Now, let's talk sales pipeline. This visualizer is your command center for tracking deals from initial contact to closing. As you progress with a lead, simply drag and drop their card to the appropriate stage. This provides an immediate overview of your business's health and highlights where your focus should be. Don't forget to set up tasks and reminders. For example, set a reminder to follow up after a showing. Real Geeks CRM helps you stay proactive, ensuring no opportunity slips through the cracks. By diligently using these core functions, a circumflex euros, lead management, contact organization, and sales pipeline optimization, a circumflex euros, you'll streamline your workflow, build stronger relationships, and ultimately close more profitable deals with unparalleled efficiency.